In this video, we're going to go through how you can incorporate Cornell Notes into your team's class notebook. Here's an example that's been filled in. We've got video color theory, and then Cornell Notes that has the essential questions notes, and then the summary. We're going to go through how to create the template for this. So if we go to course content, then we're going to add a page. We're going to call this one semiotics. Now I've got a link from Stream with my presentation on it. You can get rid of this link if you want, unless you want them to go off to the website to have a look. So we've got the video to watch. It automatically embeds it. We've already got the topic here. So what we're going to do now is add the Cornell Notes. It's a simple structure. So we go to Insert, and we're going to add a table that's 1 by 3. So at the top here, we're going to have the essential question. And down here, we're going to have the summary. And then in the middle, we're going to have the questions and the notes. So we go to Insert, Table, and 4 by 4. So here we've got the questions, and here the notes. Now, it's kind of basics formatting. We're going to tidy up a little bit. So I'm going to select this and change the shading, and also make the text bold. Same goes for this. Now what you can do is, once this is set up once, you can copy and paste this, so you don't ever have to set it up again. Just tidy up. Okay, so that's the most basic structure of Cornell Notes. What we're going to do now is show in the middle how this middle bit works. So once they've finished that line, if they hit enter, it creates another row in the table. If they need to add paragraphs within the notes, instead of just hitting enter, you have to do shift and enter, and that gives a line break rather than a paragraph break, which this sees, which is actually standard for every single application you use, whether it's Word, PowerPoint. When you hit enter, you're actually creating a paragraph break, whereas if you hit shift enter, you're creating a line break. Okay, so you have your basic structure, and you want to get this to the students rather than them having to create this each time and messing it up or not doing the right thing. What you can do is, if you go up to Class Notebook, you can distribute page, select the section you want to distribute it to, and that will now place it in every single student's section that you have within this group.